kita saksikan personil pengamanan yang membawa seekor anjing kirim terus membantu dalam pengejaran dengan cepat melumpuhkan musuh. Dalam situasi ini, anjing K9 melesat ke arah musuh dengan ketakasan yang dahsyat, siap menerapkan keberhasilan bertarung dan pengendalian agresif, sehingga menciptakan kekuatan tak terduga yang mendukung tim pengamanan dalam merespon ancaman.
Oh, for the army.
The army, yeah.
Yeah.
5 October.
Yeah, October 5.
Ulang tahun.
Whoa.
The
that's cool.
birthday.
Yes, yeah, birthday of army.
Birthday 5 October.
Oh, independence or army? Oh, army, I think it was. So this goes along with the video I was doing the other day about that army celebration practice. Looks like they're having a huge event. There's a bunch of people skydiving right around the monument. So the army practiced the other day in this. Their army is out all over the place. I think it's for the celebration October 5th, the birthday of the army. We saw them out in force earlier. I wasn't able to get a video, unfortunately, because the grab we were in had blocked out windows. But there is every single person in the Jakarta army is out. Again, this is just practice for the celebration October 5th. Man, that would be something. If you're able to come to Jakarta on October 5th, it's got to be quite a show, because they had the demonstration attack earlier with the drones. They had the parachuting people earlier, and then every single member of the army must be here, active, out, and in force. And they're all going to be outside the monument on October 5th. It's amazing. Yeah, this just keeps going. Jeez. Unfortunately, our grab is trying to come through this. Look at this craziness. Oh my God, it just doesn't freaking end.